For this recipe, you need vegetable oil, 5 garlic cloves, a big chunk of ginger, 5 scotch bonnet peppers, you need 1½ onion, 1 Maggi cube, 1 chicken flavor stock. You also need some dried rosemary, dried parsley, some salt, and 1 can peeled plum tomato. So let's get started. In your blender, add everything you saw on your plate, literally everything. So 5 scotch bonnet pepper. If you want your pepper sauce to be very spicy, you can go up to 10 scotch bonnet peppers, but it will be very hot. So add 1½ onion, which is medium size, your ginger, so just as big as the one you saw. And now you can add in your can of plum peeled tomato. If you want to use chopped tomato, please go ahead and use it. And if you want to use fresh tomatoes, you could also use it, but then you still will have to cook longer. Next, you can add in your cube of chicken flavor stock, which is a big one, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. These are all dried spices, okay? And also your cube of Maggi cube. Next, blend everything. Make sure it is well blended, okay? It has to be smooth, okay? So once it is smooth, you can stop your blender, and then we are going to get ready for our pepper sauce. So on the stove, heat up a pan. So this is a cast iron we're using here, and adding about 1½ cup of vegetable oil. And if you want to be healthier, you can use olive oil or even coconut oil. When the oil is hot, you can add in your pepper mixture. So this recipe is very easy. I don't think there's another easier recipe than this. Okay, so after you've added it, don't forget to lower the heat so that you don't get burned and it doesn't burn as well. Give it a little stir, okay, and then leave it to cook for about 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, you'll see that the oil is starting to come on top of it. And again, be careful that it doesn't burn you because it can be very hot. And give it another stir. And now we are going to add our salt. So the amount of salt you want to add really depends on you, but I would advise you to be very careful. Taste it first, okay, before you add more, because it can scatter your pepper. Okay, once you've added it, stir it, leave it to cook for another 7 minutes, and that's it. And as you can see here, our pepper sauce is ready. Alright, so make sure you keep this pepper in an airtight container, and make sure there is always oil on top. Do not use a wet spoon, always a dry spoon. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave us a like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.